We're using the CC 8-inch mini chainsaw to get the big parts of the tree. That's a good haircut right there. Now it's mess to clean up. That's a lot of haircut right there. Got the inside opened up anyways. It's enough for this year. Here's the saw that I use to get the big parts of the apple tree. It's the CC 8-inch mini chainsaw. It's got the oiler. It's got an extra handle right here. You got the 21-volt battery. It comes with the charger, and it cuts really nice. You can cut 2x4s with it. You can cut firewood with it. There's no hesitation. It cuts really well. This is oak. It's a hardwood. It cuts fast. It's really a nice unit. It's got a safety switch on it. But it's really handy for around the yard if you don't want to mix gas and oil. It works really well. Click on the link below the video to get yours. Thanks for watching.